Hey guys, so I'm coming to you today with a small tutorial of how to get a curly ponytail when you have braids in your hair. Okay, so my braids, if you can see, are like all the way braided into my hair. They are fully cornrowed into my hair. So I just put my ponytail in a like top knot, so to speak, and so I'm going to take 4 of my clip in kinky curly clip-ins, and I got these from I think I got these from AliExpress like a few years back, and I just like put them in my closet because I haven't been wearing them, but don't quote me on that because I don't remember, because it's been a long time. So, but they're still good. I washed them up, cleaned them up, and I used Beautifly products on them. I put some leave-in conditioner and some moisturizing hair curling cream, and this is the way that they came back out. If you want a tutorial on how I did that to revive these old kinky curly clip-ins, please leave a comment down below. But right now I'm just going to install these. The key to putting them in, or through putting the combs through the braids, is to not try to put it through the entire braid, but only put it through a portion of the braid. So here is my curly ponytail. You can choose to leave it down like this. Go ahead and take some hair and wrap it around to hide the wefts and the clips. And then you take a bobby pin and pin that hair in so that it doesn't move. You see that? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and then bam, you have a little ponytail back there. Okay, girl. Cute. Or you can take the whole pony and you can do it up big, which is kind of what I like. I like to do the big. And put another bobby pin back there and do it up big like that, girl. Okay. Cute. Hook your edges up, which I'm going to do in a minute. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we're just gonna leave it down. Okay, I'm gonna use some Shook Edge Control from the Beautifly collection. use like any kind of moisturizer. You want to get some Vaseline moisturizer or whatever kind of moisturizer you like. And I forgot my moisturize those real good because you don't want to have it looking crazy. But I forgot my other lip gloss. I like to keep it in my purse, so I usually forget it. The link to the lashes will be in the description box. You always want to make sure you moisturize your lips before you do this because you don't really want your lips looking crazy. Dry, cracked lips with some matte lipstick on. So the lipstick that I'm using, okay, let me tell y'all. The lip liner that I've used, and I will put the link in the description, or not the link, but I'll put like the name of it in the description box. But the lip liner that I use is the NYX Professional Makeup in the suede matte lip liner, and this is Copenhagen. Now I'm about to use the NYX Lingerie Professional Makeup. Liquid lipstick in Bedtime Flirt. And what I do with the Bedtime Flirt, why it look like my stick broken? See that? Look like my stick broke. Girl, it broke my stick. Okay, so I'm just gonna smooth it in. And I always go above my lip liner, but I could just go back. I don't know why. And I'm not used to using my phone. Curve it. I blot it to get a natural ombre lip, but sometimes you might want to go in with your finger just to like, so it's not like that harsh line. That is more of an ombre. And sometimes I go back in with some concealer around my lips just to touch it up if I got like some, but we're not gonna do that today, girl. And usually after this dries, I put on my Victoria's Secret lip gloss over it, my minty lip gloss over it, because I love Victoria's Secret lip gloss, but I don't have it right now. It's in my purse, like in the living room, and I'm not about to go and find that right now. So just imagine that I put that on there and my lips pop it even more.